Hey, Coach Greg here with Svelte Training. Today we'll be doing a dynamic HIIT workout for fat burning. If you want to, burn some fat, shred up a little bit, get your sweat on, then I have the workout for you. This is it right here. If you are new to the channel, welcome. We're so glad to have you. And if you've been around for a while, welcome back. We are so glad that you continue to support us. And just by subscribing to this channel, it means so much to all of us coaches here. Without further ado, let's just jump right into your sweaty workout. Alrighty, we're gonna be doing 2 sets. First set is gonna be moi, explaining the exercises and demonstrating while you follow along, while that second set will be more of a complete run through of everything. If you feel like you have more of a understanding of what these exercises are gonna be, feel free to skip ahead to that second set. All right, our first exercise are half jacks. It's very similar to a jumping jack, where normally you'll be throwing your arms up over your head, stepping to the side, and then boom, coming back down. Very dynamic, very awesome. However, if you feel like you can't do that, don't worry. That's what half jacks are for, because you're really just focusing on your lower half. I like to keep my hands just up in front of me, just in case you gotta defend yourself. Hands up right here. And all we're doing is focusing on this part right here. Just like that. Fun, simple, sweaty. Let's get it. 30 seconds on the clock, and let's begin. Just like this. This works out your whole body. Gets your blood moving. Really helps tone up your legs. Like I said, this is dynamic. You wanna burn some fat, this is the way to do it. Just like this. Almost done. Couple more seconds, you got this. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. We're gonna move right along into our second exercise. I may or may not have forgot to mention that you may need some dumbbells for this exercise, but feel free, you can just use your body weight, heavy water bottle, whatever you have. I'm gonna use some dumbbells just to make it a little more fun, more interesting for myself. We are doing alternating lunges. Now, there's different ways you can lunge. You can lunge forward, like so, or you could just lunge backwards, like a reverse lunge, like that. I'm just going to lunge forward just to make it a little more fun for me. Now, when it comes to a lunge, I'll put the weights down for a second. It depends like how long your legs are, because obviously different people have different body proportions. So getting into a position like this for someone may end up with their knee over their toe or down or whatever. But again, push your body to the level in which you are able to. But the goal is really to make sure our torso is upright. The distance can always be confusing, but you kind of want like a 90-degree angle. Anything beyond that, that's fine, but it's not really as necessary. Just try to, something like this, I believe, is a good proper lunge, just like that. And all we're gonna be doing is alternating. But now, here's a note. If you're doing front lunges like this, all your weight is gonna be in this front leg, and you're gonna be pushing back to get back into position. However, if you do reverse lunges, the opposite is true. You're gonna be here, and you're just pushing with that back leg. We wanna make sure that you are empowered to modify the exercises that are best for you. We're just giving you more of guidelines, if you will, for you to follow, but it's your body. Want you to feel good, feel fit, and enjoy actually doing these exercises. So here we go, 30 seconds. We're doing alternating lunges. It's been a long day. Here we go, 30 seconds, and begin. Now, having a weight sometimes helps you just focus on keeping your torso upright. Kind of gives you something other than gravity to really help you sink into your lunge. Now, lunges are great because they work out, like I said, everything. Your core, your glutes, your thighs, your hammies, your quads, your ankle mobility, everything. Got a couple more. Let's do one more here. And great job. Put those weights down for a second. We're moving right along into our third exercise. All right, our third exercise are step ups. Now, if you have a bench, some sort of elevated surface or platform, feel free to get to that spot right now. I'm just gonna be using a simple yoga foam block. Just to show you how effective, even though this is only a couple inches, just something like this, that's all you need, just to really get in the motion. The goal is we're really focusing on all these little tendons and stuff around your knee, your ankle mobility, all that stuff. So now a foam block may not be the most stable for you, but again, you can use a chair, you can use a bench, a step, whatever you need. Goal is we're just alternating between stepping up, just like so. So here we go, 30 seconds on the clock. Kind of self-explanatory, it's called a step up. So what do? You step up. All right, 30 seconds and begin. Just like that. Boom. You can throw your hands in it if you need to. Just like that. Boom. Now, if you have like a staircase, then you could just do these right up the staircase for 30 seconds and you will have fun. A little more. Block is shifting around on me. That makes it fun though, it's okay. One more. And you're done. That was your step ups. Moving right along into our fourth exercise. All right, to finish up this dynamic HIIT workout, we're gonna be doing some dumbbell shoulder presses. I know you're like, what? Thought we were only focusing on the legs. No, you gotta focus on upper body too. Come on, it's a full body, baby. So all we're gonna be doing is feet, shoulder width apart. Any type of weight dumbbell, like I said, you can use just your hands. Gravity is just as effective as a weight as anything else. Heavy water bottle, whatever you need. We're just gonna have our arms parallel to the ground, just like so, 90-degree angles. And we're just pushing up. Try to stay upright. Try not to like lean backwards with it, because that's gonna work out more of your chest. Try not to go forward, but just want the weight just here. Boom, we're just pressing up just like that. You want a strong, stable base. I like to bend my knees slightly and almost like push my feet into the ground. So strong, stable base. I brace my core, and as I go up, it's just like that. So you're gonna feel this in your full body, but the goal is mainly just trying to build those delts, those traps, and your whole arms, everything as well. So here we go, 30 seconds. Enough talking, Greg. Come on, they just wanna work out. I got you. 30 seconds, and let's go. Just like so. Slow or fast as you need. Really settle into it. Make sure you're breathing. Boom. A couple more seconds, you got this. 3, 2, do one more. Come on, you got this, one more, and done. Put that weight down for a second. You deserve it. Give yourself one of these real quick. We ain't done yet. That was just our first set. We're gonna jump right into that second set, so feel free to mark the time of this video right now so you can come back to this very moment so you can do these sets over and over again with less talking and more doing. Grab some water real quick because you earned it, you deserve it. And we're gonna jump right into our second set, starting off with half jacks. And here we go. Half jacks. My ankles are crackling. There's so much nitrogen in my joints. Couple more seconds, here we go. Come on, have fun with it. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. All right, we have alternating lunges. Get ready. 30 seconds on, and begin. Come on, you're doing great. Go. Just like that. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. All right, we got step ups next. Here we go. 30 seconds and begin. 3, 2, and 1. Thank you so much, sir. Get them out here. Last exercise, grab your dumbbells. Shoulder press, here we go. Come on, finish strong. It's dynamic. Let's have some fun with it. And let's go. Boom. A couple more seconds, finish strong. Got 3, 2, and 1. Done and dusted. That was your dynamic HIIT workout for fat burning. I am already sweating like crazy. I hope you are too. And if you like this video, make sure you click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos coming out. And again, feel free to do these sets over and over and over again. Have some fun with it. Let's burn that fat, baby. I'm Coach Greg. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.